what we are going to have it. Now we are going to have another screen. So from this, if you click next button, now nothing. You click next, nothing is happening, right? Now I want to have another screen to be opened. Once I click next, after that I'm going to create a new screen in the program. So create a screen. Just right click, create screen. You can have it, or else on top of screen also you can have only this. Okay. Provide a screen number which should not be there. Already 100 we have, right? So apart from 100, any number you can provide. And then layout. Suppose in this screen, whatever you enter, that I want to display it here. Okay, that I want to display it. In the first screen, whatever I have entered, I want to have it display here. So for that, just have it. Or maybe if, so they also from this, okay. So in this, I'm going to have another button, like back button. So from here, if I click, it will come to that previous screen. Okay. So you can have it this one. Only as an output field. You make it as an output field. Okay. So that this one also just all three you just make. I'm going to just display from table. Okay, I'm not going to enter anything here. Okay. So that's it. Save button, activate it.
We should have a function code for back, right?
Correct. Yes, have it. Back. Okay, activate. Okay. So now we are going to have a coding for this. So first thing is in 100, if I click next button, so I need to go to second screen, right? So for that, go to flow logic, the 100. So here you can have it. Else if yes, right, you come equal to next. If it's next, Then we have set the screen. Okay, that number, whatever the number, the screen number, set screen. Okay, you'll go to that screen. Just activate it. Just once again cross verify is that everything is active. Active. The main program is active. Okay, so let's execute again. Let's see whether it is that next is working or not. Okay, so next. Okay, we came to second screen, right? But those details have not displayed. For that, we need to write in the second screen which event. Can someone tell me? I want to display these values from table here. Did you guys get the question? Just so just double click the same existing thing, include only, just select it. Okay. So by default it will come. Why it will come? I will explain this. Just remove that. Okay. Now we need to pull it from table. Okay. So just pull from select. There is a table. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's, anyway we have defined it that. Let's pull it select star from GMP tables. Okay. And just take it one, select single. 1 and 2. They're not declared as a table.
CMP details.
Sorry? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. So done. Let's have it. This will be the select. First record it will be. Yes. Move this to the thing. Okay, it was let's see what happens. Oh, this inactive state. So this is the problem with model code. So manually we need to check each and every object. So everything is active only, then only the functionality will work. You see here the first record. I just pull the first record, so a single record and assign it. Okay. So now if I click back button, I should go back. So where I can write this code, this functionality code. So where I should write that back functionality?
After input.
Yeah. So in the screen number, second screen, okay, that process it. Just double click here. So here you can have it. From equal to back. Okay. What we should do? You should go back to underscreen, right? You can have so in another one, leave to screen also without screen number you can. Set screen number also you can have it. Leave to screen also. You can have it. So done. Now I can execute the same thing. Next, and then back. Okay. Here, guys. Any issues here? Any confusion? Before proceeding further, there are many things in this last topic. I'm just giving some kind of basic events and outline all these things.
Raju, your voice is breaking. It's very feeble.
I'm having good network. Like I'm having a bad network. So still having a same issue, guys.
Yeah, Raju, it's it's not clear. It completely. It's breaking in between.
Oh, okay. So how about now? Is it fine?
Yeah, we can hear. Is it fine and everything? But
sometimes only.
yeah.
I have changed my network many times. Okay. Okay, I'll just continue. Okay, I mean, if it is not understandable situation, you just let me know. Okay, clear? Or not at all to proceed?
Can you please repeat what you are saying? Like you'll be continuing, and after
No,
that,
no, okay. I mean, still you guys are facing now also.
no, now it seems to be clear. But at times it is breaking, Raju.
Okay. Guys, everyone are facing same kind of issue because I could be able to hear, Anurag voice clearly. Can someone confirm me? Is it the same issue for everyone? My voice is breaking in between.
Yes, Raju.
Yeah, Raju.
Then the issue is from my end. What to do now?
Whenever you are asking, is it fine? What to do now? Those things are very clear. But
Okay. Okay. Till now, any questions?
yeah, just one question, Raju. Like there are two options, right? To go to a particular screen. One is to set screen and leave to screen. So, is there any technical differences between these two? Like the variable values will be stores in the memory for one and not for the other, or something like that, or both are the same in
No,
all
no,
the
both both
Okay,
are same.
okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay. So till now, whatever we have discussed, if you guys are clear, like when we'll proceed.
Hi, Raju. Can you take that module for the first screen?
Yeah. This is the one.
No, the code part.
So first is screen. This is the one.
Here in that same, right? Both variable are in same name, right? How we will distinguish it?
That is where actually, if you don't define the, whatever the name and the screen level you mentioned, just go to the screen. Yeah. So whatever you are giving here, right? The same name should be there, the program level also. Otherwise, you will get a syntax error, and the structures, data type, all those things, it should be, same. Character, okay, all those things should be matching with the, that structure, whatever you are giving. Then only it will allow. Otherwise, it will not be identifying, because this processor is different, and the the screen processor is a different, and screen printer, and the ABAP layer is a different. Okay, so it will not be in during system syntactical check. It will not be identified. Okay, so good to go always. So whatever you are giving the name, the same name, there should be a variable defined over there. Clear?
Okay. My question is like
How to distinguish it?
how the program will distinguish that the same name variable, right? In the left hand side and right hand side.
No, see that, yeah. So it will be, you can give whatever the name, differently if you want to give, like, but the what is that? See, here we have defined tables directly this thing, right? So if you don't want this by using tables, you can have that types, all those things, you can have it. This one, okay? This work area, you can have it, okay, with a different name, okay? And with this, you should have a variable here, okay? That's the reason we have defined it. Otherwise, you will not, you will get a syntax error. This name, okay? This is the name we have given there, okay? The screen level, that name should be defined here, okay? So that's the reason I have defined it. Anyway, same thing. So from same table only we are pulling the data and we are utilizing, right? I just use the same structure as it is for the different purpose also. Not clear?
Raju, I think his question is basically, how will, see, the left-hand side and the right-hand side are the same, right? In this case, so how will the compiler is identifying that, we are going to assign the value to a work area and not to the screen field?
Or whether it will work without that two assignment. It's only with department. Because we are referring, for the insert, we are referring the same name, right?
Oh, okay. So even this will also work. Okay.
By commenting the both lines.
Yeah. Okay. This will also work. I want to show that a difference. I mean, table and work area. That's the reason I have used. Otherwise, if you have the same kind of situation, like, table name and work area both are same, you can have it this way also. Clear? But if you see the syntax, insert syntax, it clearly says first is table, from is a work area. Compiler, I mean, he knows that, like, So
Raju, my question was like, after the if statement, right? There are two lines of code. Whether that is relevant, because it is mentioned like both side are same variable name, right?
it can be, right. I mean, we have used, we didn't use anywhere like this. I mean, okay, me programming. Okay.
Yeah, sorry, Raju. So the question is like, here we are assigning a value into a work area, right? Work area field, the first line,
Correct.
line number 13. And suppose if we want to assign the value, work area value into the this display screen field. So how will we do that? It will be the same statement only, right? So
Yeah.
is it based on the event? It will be identified like, now I'm going to move the value into that screen field, and if I give the same statement into process, before output, it will be like, process after input, it will be like moving the other way around.
Yes, right question. Okay, yeah, that's true, 100%. See, so here we are, I mean, so I want to add manually one record here. Okay, so I mean one row. Sorry, what is that? One field. So that's the reason I did like this. Okay, if we see in 110, so I didn't do anything. So directly I just assigned. Okay, everything, all the details, whatever you want. So automatically it came. So that is a structure there. So it gets filled there automatically. So that's where you guys got it out, right? Is it not clear still? Guys, whose question is it? Whose question it was?
Yeah, it was Manish, Raju.
Manish, yeah, Manish. See, one thing we should have it. The first thing, okay, first thing, you just remember one thing. Okay, whatever the screen layout is there, right? Whatever you define here, okay, with the same name, you should have a variable in your program. Okay, that is the condition you should have always. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So otherwise, you'll get a syntax error. Okay. So here in our case, what we did. So here the same table name is also same, right? That's the reason we have defined for all the purpose, for the screen field purpose and for the table work area purpose also, I have defined this work area for both purposes. Okay. Or else, if you have a doubt, so we can do one more way also. Getting confused. Right. Speaking of TY GMP. Okay. Come on. Just include that structure. Is that employee numbers type GMP details EMP. Okay. And then everything I should define. So like this, everything I should define. That work area you can use it instead of what I am trying to say. Anish.
Yeah, got it, Raju.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do one thing. I think we have something called values. We'll try with only 3 fields. Okay. Now what we will do, that this slide, we'll just save it, activate it. Okay. Here we will be defining one data area GMP type TY GMP. Okay. So now we will be using that. copy this. And GMP. Okay, so now we'll be having same instance in this code as well. Okay. And this is not that is something we have. So database table. Heading 2 values were clearly. Include values. Let's see what it does. Work area, right? Is not enough, long enough. So you should have a same fields. I just defined it only 3 fields. Okay. So you should have all the field declaration at the same time. We'll do one thing. I mean, I'll take anyway. Done. Anish.
Raju.
Yeah. So you understood. I mean, you need.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. So basically, you should have, while doing the insert statement, the work area should match with this thing. Even though if it is values are less. Okay.
Yeah.
So since we are having same name, work area and table name, so we can have like this. Okay. And at the screen level, whatever you guys defining the layout, okay, these names, okay, with these names, you should have a variable in your program. Otherwise, it will not recognize. Clear, guys? Any questions?
Yeah, one quick question, Raju. So what you are saying is like, suppose if I am giving the name for this employee number as maybe CEMP_1, then I should define a variable by the same name in my program?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the reason better always go with the dictionary references. Okay. Or get from program. Suppose if anything is there, suppose I have defined one type now, just now, right? Okay. So, wait, let me check with the what is that? Work area, right? Work area, ZDMP. Again, get from program does not exist. It is not activated. The reason. Same name we give. Do one thing. It will activate everything. Okay. And here. Yes. Now you got it. It was not active. See, whatever the variable you have depend the work area, depend, right? So you can have it. Suppose only department name I want. Okay, where you want somewhere here. See, automatically name will be with this. Okay, so already you have it. So you can create a name for that using this. So then this. So now, if you want to refer this value, how you are going to refer with this name in the program. Okay, something you wanted to, you typed it here and you wanted to have it. So yeah, anyway, we have it, right? Just try this. Okay, so now in this we have a code, right? Instead of IT, you can have it that one. How we are going to have it? This work area, GMP, then what is the department only? EMP underscore department. Okay. EMP underscore department. So like this, we can apply. Just test it. This will not work right. Just comment it. Never code will work. Okay, put a breakpoint here. Okay. So just check once everything is active or not. Yes, it is active. So you can run the transaction. Okay, enter 6. Any other name? Can I have a name? Quickly.
Abish.
Manisha.
Abish.
Sorry. Okay. So I think that department. Let's assume something. Engineering department. So just save it. Now see. Okay. You click this one. You will have this and this. With this name, because we have referred that there, the same name. Clear? Manish, now I think with this you can differentiate. Understood?
Yes, Raju.
So any other questions from anyone? has this kind of confusion? So it will be instruction. Okay. Go back. Okay. So that is what it is. You know, still I have one more topic that I planned it. Anyway, we'll take it in next class. So what I discussed today is module programming. Okay. So the module programming is nothing but it says streaming programming. So we have these many events are there. Process before output and process after input and process value request and process self request. So each event has its own significance. Based on scenarios, it will be triggering. Okay, as like our report programs. So here we have layout. You can design the whatever the screen items you wanted by using these buttons. You can have it. If you want to have it from dictionary structure, so this is the button. You can have it. Design the screen.